Simplifying a sum or difference of two univariate polynomials. I know in a previous video I said I'd never used the word or seen the word univariate in any of the math books I've ever worked with. I have no memory of it anyway, and I knew it meant one variable because it's uni, but I looked it up and it says univariate is a term commonly used in statistics to describe a type of data which consists of observations on only a single characteristic or attribute. So there you go. It just means one variable. In this case, the variable is the letter U. Okay, they have these things in parentheses, which is their way of saying you got these three terms over here, and you're going to add it to this mess, which also has three terms. And basically those are trinomials. But all you're going to do is combine like terms. And for example, let me come over here. Let's say I had 3x plus 5x. The 3 and the 5 are what they call coefficients. And you're literally just going to add them. And the x is your variable. So if you've got 3 x's here and you've got 5 x's there, I have 8 x's altogether. All you do is add the 3 and the 5, and the x stays the same. Biggest mistake people make is they want to write 8x squared. You're not multiplying the x's, you're adding them. You got 3 x's here, you got 5 x's there, that's 8 x's. That's like saying I got 3 apples here and I got 5 apples there. I got 8 apples. Or I got $3 and $5. I got $8. Not 8 square dollars, $8. So you're just going to combine the like terms. Now, in this problem up here, I've got negative 4u squared plus 7u minus 5 plus, and over here, a 2u squared plus 3u plus 6. All you're going to do is combine the u squareds together because they're considered like terms. They look identical. I got negative 4 u squareds and I got 2 u squareds. So if you have negative 4 and a positive 2, that actually adds up to a negative 2 u squareds. Then I've got a plus 7u and a plus 3u. And I'm adding those together. 7 u's here, 3 u's there, that's 10 u's, and since they're positive, I'll just put plus 10u. And then last, I've got a negative 5 plus a positive 6. Negative 5 and a positive 6 adds up to a positive 1, so I'll put plus 1. And that is my answer. You cannot add u squareds to u's. They're totally different. Remember, variables actually represent a number. I have no idea what the number is, but let's say that the number is a 3. Then what I'd have here is 10 3's, and over here I'd have negative 2 9's, because 3 squared would be 9. That'd be like having apples and oranges. They're totally different things. 3 apples plus 5 oranges is 3 apples plus 5 oranges. You can't add them together. So that's my answer.